Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pizza toast step by step. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees F, lightly toast bread, spread a thin layer of tomato sauce, sprinkle oregano, add shredded mozzarella and chosen toppings, then bake until cheese bubbles and edges brown, let cool briefly, and serve with a light drizzle of olive oil for extra flavor. Start by prepping ingredients for efficiency. Grate the cheese, thinly slice toppings, and portion sauce so each slice is consistent. Lightly brush bread with olive oil to encourage browning and crispness. Layer sauce first, then cheese, then toppings so everything heats evenly. Keep sliced vegetables thin and avoid overloading slices to ensure quick cooking and a perfect, crunchy base with melted, bubbly cheese on top. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more easy recipes. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker shown here brings your space to life and makes hands-free kitchen timers and playlists effortless. Check the description for the link and other deals on that product. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Place the prepared slices on a preheated tray to achieve an immediate sizzle and crispy underside. Bake at 400 degrees F until cheese bubbles and edges are golden, which usually takes about 6 to 10 minutes depending on oven strength. Rotate the tray halfway if needed for even browning, then remove and let rest a minute or two so toppings settle and slicing is tidy. Serve warm for the best texture and flavor.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.